Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the Instagram Explore page. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. To reset the Instagram Explore page, just go ahead over to your profile at the bottom right and tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Okay. Once done, just go to scroll down and find the section Content Preferences. All right. Under the section, what you see, just tap on it. Now you'll be able to find Not Interested right here. Okay, just tap on it. I will be showing you how to add items right here later so that the Instagram algorithm for your own profile will disregard the videos or the topics that is inside this area. Okay, so I'm just going to go back right here. You go ahead and go to political content and see less. Okay, make sure that you untick this one or turn this slider off. Go back and go ahead and go to specific words and phrases. It says here, hide suggested posts with hashtags or captions that have specific words, phrases, or emojis. Okay, so just go ahead and start adding words right here. For example, you don't want to see politics. Okay, like so. Add in comma, space. Maybe if you don't want to see sports, just type in sports right here, comma, or cars. If you don't want to see cars, just type in cars and hit on done. Okay, now the not interested part that I told you earlier. Just go to the Explore page, okay? For example, you don't want videos or photos talking about animals. You can go ahead and tap on the video itself, okay? Now tap on the three dots. Now go ahead and tap on Not Interested, okay? You could also add in videos that you would like or photos that you'd like to see more often by tapping on Interested, okay? Not Interested right here. Once done, go back, refresh the Explore page. Okay, and that is it. As you can see here, there are no politics, there are no cars, animals as well. As you can see, that's what we have added on our settings. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.